Really?
Shut up. I'm a professional, man.
Has to be a zigzag.
Yeah, it has to be a zigzag. I'm gonna make us famous on the internet.
Here.
Don't worry, I already got it, man. Half of it's ripping and tearing anyways.
That'll make it a little more fun anyway. Don't drop it on your foot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. Just for the ct90 or the ct110.
Yeah.
But,
it should. That's what should make it compatible with the new engine.
Yeah.
I was talking to a buddy online. He said we might need an adapter, but I don't think there's any possible way that we got everything we need in one shot.
That's what the fucking donut's for.
Is it?
Yeah.
He sent me a link to another item on that site that was... Oh, that's sexy. Look at that shit. Yeah.
Oh, my ears started ringing. Yeah. It's the same thing.
Wait. Let's see it. Yeah. It should work.
Yeah. Sweetity sweet.
Grace and poise.
Yeah, might as well. Wah! I'll
Just don't cut anything inside the box in half.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's nice. Oof. Where'd it go? Oh my god. Don't cut my hand in half by... gasket just sort of sitting on top of everything. Try not to cut that in half. Yes.
Oh wow, they put the gasket right on top of everything. That's not really the smartest way to pack your box, considering people are gonna slam a knife through there.
For damage, I don't see any damage. It looks fine.
Looks fine to me.
Yeah, man, look at that. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, it was a little scratch and a gasket gonna do. Except, you know,
piss oil everywhere. There's the oil cooler. That's fancy.
It's fancy. Ooh. Rip, shred, tear. It's my birthday. I get a rip and shred and tear. No, don't. You'll mess something up here. What are you doing? Shame. Shame. Never clean.
Fancy.
Look at that. Look at how fancy that is. It's like getting that Corsair power supply in the velvet box, here in the velvet bag.
That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Just take a little screwdriver and bend the fin back.
It's not perfect though.
Well, you never get a radiator that doesn't have a fin bend. That's cool.
Yeah.
The oil lines. They're really thin, but that's cool.
Damn. Metal and plastic and metal. Or plastic and metal and plastic. Channels and shit. I think this is the peg for the Kickstarter.
That's the gear shift lever.
Oh. Ah.
Yeah, they do that.
Wow.
There's Kickstart.
There it is.
It's Chinese.
Yeah.
Don't get your hopes up too high.
Tell. Not gonna bang that on nothing else. This should be fine.
What? That's fine.
Alright.
There's I'll let you know if I see something that's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Well, I'm like Rodbert and Egbert and Rogers and
There it is.
Hello. This is the stuff I really need.
Look at that wide ass bitch.
Oh.
Taking up 2 seats on the airplane. Shit.
There's a tear in this bag! Ah! Wires. Wires and levers. And invoices. Fucking styrofoam over there. Ew, look what happened to this silica gel.
Nasty.
Gross. Get out of here, you damn plastic. Yeah, look at that. That's shiny.
Spin it around. Oh, that's cool.
Look at this thing, man. They put aluminum stickers to keep you from...
Dude. Fucking Lifan for life, man.
Lifan for
Look at that bullshit 70-year-old motor. Dude, we can swap it right across. We don't have to fabricate engine mounts or anything.
Yeah, man. Fabricating engine mounts. None of that. Lifan.
Lifan for life.